Hey buddy, in this video we're going to show you how you can make cookies in the air fryer. It's really easy to make, give it a try. Let's get started. We have some Pillsbury cookie dough. We're going to open it up real quick. Here's the cookies. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out and smush them a little bit and flatten it as much as you can. There you go. That's one. We're just gonna flatten it. And today we're making around 6 cookies in the air fryer. One more. Okay, we're set. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 330 degrees and for 8 minutes. Start, and we're gonna let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated and we're gonna put in the cookies. Okay, we're going to put it back in and we'll leave it in there for 8 minutes. And while it's doing that, we're going to clean the board and we'll be back. Okay, the cookies are ready. It's been 8 minutes and let's take a look at them. Yeah, look at that. Looking good. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. Really easy to make. Give it a try. And here's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!